Welcome, here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 9 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera Pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change this by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right here to the Pro. So here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. When we tap on this we get access to 3 sliders. The first one here is the white balance slider. So here we can adjust the temperature of our picture. As you can see, we can pick between incandescent light, daylight, fluorescent light and the cloudy light. So it depends from the conditions that we have in the area where we take a picture, and the auto white balance is at the beginning of the slider. The next one here is the Eso Slider. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right on the slider to 1 6,000 of it. So this is really wide spectrum. And of course at the beginning we have the auto ISO. And the last one slider here is the exposure compensation. So we can manage also the light of the picture by going to the right on the slider. We can make our photo more bright. By going to the left we can make it more dark. As you can see, this is how it works here. And now let me adjust this and take a photo. To see my picture, let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.